How to log into account on Spine HR. So if you want to log into your account on Spine HR, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for Spine HR, and now you need to go with spinehr.com, or you can also search for Spine HR login. Once you've searched for it, you will have the login Spine HR option. So you just need to simply go with the login page under the Spine HR. Once you click on it, now it will take you to the login page. So you just need to simply enter your company code and then your username. And after entering your username, you need to just enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password, and once your credentials are correct, you need to go with login and you'll be able to log into your account. But make sure that you have an internet connection and make sure that your credentials are correct, and within no time you'll be able to log into your account. That's how you can log into your Spine HR, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.